Today, I'm going to show you how to turn leftover rotisserie chicken into delicious fried chicken. And I also have another recipe that might be even better than fried chicken: chicken and waffles. Let's get started. First, I'm breaking down the chicken and cutting it into smaller pieces. The chicken was still cold and stiff, so cutting it with a knife felt like I was having a full-on match with this chicken. If you leave the chicken out of the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes before cooking, it becomes much easier to break apart by hand. And these skin parts, they are the gems. Next, I'm going to marinate the chicken with the seasoning. I'm adding 1 tablespoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. Then I pour in 1½ cups of milk. Now I mix everything well. Since the chicken is already seasoned, you can definitely use less seasoning or skip some, but not the milk part. But I wanted to give the leftovers a different flavor, so I decided to add a little more seasoning. Now I'm grabbing a Ziploc bag and adding the chicken in. Then I pour the seasoned milk mixture into the bag and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. Next, I prepare some flour in a bowl. Then I dredge the chicken in the flour. Once the oil is hot and ready, carefully place the chicken into the oil. That frying sound is so satisfying. Honestly, that's music to my ears. I cook each piece for about 4 minutes. and it turns into such beautiful fried chicken. It tastes surprisingly good. Crispy on the outside, flavorful, and such a good way to use up leftovers. Since I already have a waffle machine, I decided to turn the rotisserie chicken into something even better than fried chicken. Chicken and waffles. I pour the waffle batter into the waffle machine. A few minutes later, the waffles came out beautifully cooked. I place my waffle on the plate. Place beautifully cooked fried chicken on the waffles. Add butter. Then I drizzle them with hot honey. And sprinkle on some powdered sugar. Oh my gosh, look at this! This is heaven!